Welcome to the Bluebeam Revu tutorial by Brighter Graphics. This video tutorial will show you how to add headers and footers to your PDF pages in Bluebeam Revu 21. Let's see how you can do so. After opening Revu 21 on your desktop, go to the File menu and open your PDF document. As you can see, we now have a 5-page document, and we will see how to add a header and a footer to it. To do this, go to the Document menu and under the Headers and Footers option, click Add. As you can see, this dialog box reads Batch Header and Footer because we are using Bluebeam Complete, which supports multiple batch processing options. Now click to select the files opened in Revu, then click Next. A new Header and Footer dialog box will appear where you can add custom headers and footers to your PDF pages. This font section here allows you to customize the text style of your headers and footers. Let's select a font style, size, and color. Let's make our text bold. In the header and footer section below, you can set the orientation for your header and footers either on the left, right, or center of your document. Let's add a custom text as a center-aligned header. Do the same for the footer. You can also add header and footer as values or data from your document or system. Let's try inserting page number. You can choose from where to start page numbers. Also, select the page number format to include in your PDF. We are under Footer Center Text Settings, so these parameters will be added to a center-aligned footer at the bottom of your page. As you can see, the page number parameter is added here alongside our text. You can select and delete it anytime. Let's remove everything and add date as a footer. You have several formats for adding a date. Select any and click OK. The next one is Bates numbers. Let's set the number of digits for the Bates. Select the starting range for your Bates number. Also, you can choose to add a suffix and a prefix to your Bates number. Next, you can pick and add data from your document properties. Currently, it is set to file name, and you can see that the item value is set to pick file name. You have various page data parameters to choose from. Let's select the author name, and it will start picking the item value as author name. Watch our separate video on how to add or edit document properties in Bluebeam Revu 21. For now, let's set a custom text and date as our footer. You can do the same to the header field above your footer. The preview window below will show your header and footer and how they will appear on your PDF pages. In the margins section above, let's lower the header by increasing the top margin and raise the footer by increasing the bottom margin. Recheck all of the details and click OK to proceed. As you can see, our headers and footers are added to PDF pages. The footer is picking our system date with the custom text we added in the footer field. To edit headers and footers, go to the Document menu, and under the Headers and Footers submenu, click the Edit option. Select the file and click Next. Click the header field and add a page number to our header. You can also add it to the left or right header fields. Let's also add a text following the page number. You can also choose to delete all headers and footers for a batch of files anytime you want. To apply changes, click OK. As you can see, the header is changed to page number, followed by the text we added in the header field. This is it for today. For more Bluebeam tips and tricks, stay connected with Brighter Graphics, your go-to partner for all things Bluebeam.